After visiting a butterfly observatory in Key West, Florida, we got really excited about butterflies, so we ordered this kit off insectlore.com. It was only $29 or $30, free shipping, and it came with 5 live caterpillars that'll turn into butterflies and everything you need to turn them into butterflies. So really, they just come in this jar, and they grow so rapidly from day 1 to day 3 to day 5. You know, they've grown probably like 5 times the size. That was pretty amazing to observe. And you just keep them in there. You don't give them water. They have food at the bottom that they eat. And once they, so day 9, that's when they started to, crystallize into their chrysalises. So they go to the top of the lid and they start like wrapping themselves up. You'll see them shaking and moving around and then wrapping themselves up. And then they become these chrysalises. And then you take them out of the lid and they give you a little stand and those chrysalises hang there. Unfortunately, 2 fell down, but yeah, they were okay. But yeah, when you move the chrysalises, they wiggle like crazy. It's kind of fun. And they're like this for, I forget how long. We had to wait till I think day 20. So about like a 10-day period until they come out as butterflies. And these were the painted butterfly variety. But yeah, no, definitely a really cool process for the kids to see the whole time. Even for us parents, it was cool seeing the caterpillar turn it, just transform. There's their proboscis when as soon as they're like out of their cocoons, they just start unfolding it. You can see like their wet wings drying up and getting flat. Here's some nectar that we were making. It's really just sugar and water. They give you directions on how to mix it, and you just put it in their little fake flour there. They said give them some fruit too, so we gave them some oranges. But yeah, really carefree, really easy to take care of these guys, and such a cool transformation to witness, especially with the kids. So it's really cool. And then I think we finally released these guys on day 25. So the whole process was really only 25 days, or 20 days they were born. I guess we could have released them then. I think they said keep them 24 hours before releasing them. But yeah, here's my son trying to have the butterfly land on his hand so he could release them. But it was definitely a very cool experiment, something I'm glad we did. Definitely took us down a path, though, of like animal husbandry and taking care of pets. Soon after, my son was in the backyard and he saw these turtles hatching from the ground. So he grabbed, a bunch of turtles. We had him, put a bunch back, but we were thinking that maybe we'll take care of them for a few days until they're bigger and stronger and then release them. So right now we're taking care of a few turtles. They're really cute. But yeah, and we also got some button quail, so that's going to be the next saga for Valen. That was his birthday gift, so yeah, these things are about to hatch soon. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of cool things going on. So if you like the video, and please subscribe. Okay, guys, good luck. Godspeed.